Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by securing a backup and getting into the template. This prevents accidental loss. Once done, open theme right arrow edit HTML and use the editor search to find any occurrences of m=1, mobile, or redirect code. You want to locate links, script snippets, or conditional tags that append m=1 to URLs. Make sure to note which widget or script contains the code so you can edit precisely. This is faster than guessing and keeps the change minimal and reversible. Now you edit the actual code where m=1 is added. First, disable or remove small JavaScript functions that append m=1 to post links. If they're wrapped by a widget, edit that widget. Next, replace any hard-coded mobile links with responsive markup or Blogger conditional tags so the blog adapts without query parameters. As you modify, use the preview button to validate changes. Make small edits and re-preview. This incremental approach reveals side effects quickly. Finish by saving your template and clearing browser and server caches. Then test multiple posts on desktop and several mobile devices or emulators. Make sure canonical tags, don't force m=1 variants, and check Google Search Console for URL issues. If the problem persists, restore the backup you made and isolate causes by disabling third-party widgets or scripts one at a time. As a troubleshooting tip, use Browser DevTools Network tab to trace redirects. If a script or server redirect still adds m=1, you'll see it there.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.